So the equation of director circle for the ellipse is x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square. Now let us look for hyperbola. So consider the equation of hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. So equation of pair of tangents is x1 y1 is, so that is ss1 equal to t square. So that gives x square by a square minus y square by b square minus 1 into x1 square by a square minus y1 square by b square minus 1 equal to, now t will be x1 by b square minus y1 by b square minus 1 whole square. So now if these lines are perpendicular, then coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. So coefficient of x square is 1 by a square into x1 square by a square minus y1 square by b square minus 1. Then right side in varum, so minus x1 square by a raised to 4. And that's the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of y square is minus 1 by b square into x1 square by a square minus y1 square by b square minus 1. Then minus y1 square by b raised to 4 equal to 0. So x1 square by a raised to 4 will cancel off. Again y1 square by b raised to 4 also will cancel off. So remaining we will have, so let us look at what are the terms we are getting. So we will get minus y1 square by a square b square, then minus 1 by a square, then the next term minus x1 square by a square b square and plus 1 by b square equal to 0. So multiplying both by a square b square, so we are going to get minus y1 square minus b square minus x1 square plus a square equal to 0. So we will get x1 square plus y1 square equal to a square minus b square. So therefore locus of x1 y1 is x square plus y square equal to a square minus b square. So therefore the equation of director circle is x square plus y square equal to a square minus b square. So that's the required equation of the director circle to hyperbola.